Welcome back. Day 10 of our road trip. Today we will go for a camping. But the problem is, which one should we take? Last day I parked the Lambo here because we don't need that for today's. Let's take the Tundra. It will be a good option for camping. Let's do the cold start. The only problem in this truck is it cannot go deep inside the water. That's okay, because the rest of the things are good in this truck. Let's close the door. Now we are ready for the trip. Let's go very deep inside. This time we will go the waterway. This much water it can handle. Now the problem comes. Can it survive? I don't think so. Not possible, it will be drowned. Let's go from the side. Now it's fine. One more challenge. If I have my RAM for 6.6, then it's not a problem. But I am not sure with the Tundra. Difficult for me to climb. Let's give it a try. Don't know what I should say, skills or luck. Just going to hit 200 in the tunnel. Remember, this place last time came in RAM. This Tundra is good, but not as good as RAM TRX. A little bit of boundaries are there in this car while it's riding. Let's do the camping in the same place. Finally, we come here again. Let's park it on the hills. Because at night, sometimes big waves come above the land. So, we need to take precautions. This way it will not get drawn. Let's start our camping. Like, share, comment, subscribe.